Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
Today's product is the DeWalt FlexVolt 54V XR Axial Blower. Links in the description below. Let's get started. The DeWalt DCM BA572 XR FlexVolt Axial Blower has a powerful brushless motor that enables you to quickly clear debris. A variable speed trigger and a speed lock provide increased control of the blower output. Its curved tube design creates rotational control and reduces fatigue. Features and specifications include the following. It has an air volume of 600 cube feet per minute and has a blow speed of 200 km per hour. The blower itself weighs 3.1 kg. The brushless motor provides higher power and longer run times. The high airspeed and concentrate attachment makes light work of debris, and also it has a variable trigger and a trigger lock to provide user controllable blowing power. DeWalt Industrial Tool Company is a worldwide manufacturer of hand tools and power tools for construction, manufacturing, woodworking industries as well as DIY. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.